A patch of dust recovered by a Japanese space probe from an asteroid some 186 million miles away revealed a surprising element, a drop of water. This discovery provides new support for the theory that life on Earth may have originated from outer space. The results are in the latest research to be published from the analysis of 5.4 grams of stones and dust collected by the Hayabusa 2 probe from the asteroid Ryugu. Scientists say that this drop of water has great meaning. Many researchers believe that water was brought from outer space, but we have detected water in Ryugu, an asteroid near Earth, for the first time. Launched in 2014 on its mission to Ryugu, Hayabusa 2 returned to Earth's orbit 2 years ago to drop a capsule containing the sample. The precious payload has already yielded many insights, including organic matter, that showed that some of the building blocks of life on Earth, amino acids, may have formed in space. A scientist who worked on the project further said that the team's latest discovery was a liquid droplet in the Ryugu sample and was carbonated water containing salt and organic matter. He said that the discovery supports the theory that asteroids like Ryugu or its larger counterparts could have provided water containing salt and organic matter in a collision with water. They have discovered evidence that this may be directly related to, for example, the origin of the oceans or organic matter on Earth. Scientists' team made up of about 150 researchers, including 30 from the United States, Britain, France, Italy, and China, is one of the largest analyzing the sample from Ryugu. The sample was divided into different scientific teams to maximize the chances of new discoveries. The fact that water was detected in the sample itself is surprising, they said, given its fragility and the possibilities of its destruction in outer space. It indicates that the asteroid contained water in the form of a liquid and not just ice, and organic matter may have formed in that water.